evening, all. I'm Epstein, and here we are with your metal market wrap-up. And this wrap-up is for the evening of Sunday. And we are now at March 23rd, 2025, just after 6:10 p.m. Central Time on this Sunday. And this is your weekend edition where we look at the weekly charts only and see what those are trying to tell us about the markets. You know that we had triple witching on Friday. You saw a late day rally in stock indices, and they are getting some follow through tonight from that. Metal markets are still up. The dollar's pretty stable at this point. We're looking at energy markets just floating around. Natural gas dropping down as the weather is ideal. This isn't where you buy bullish or bearish in the market, but rallies typically fall back. And as you know, I have a gasoline report up on our website. If you haven't seen it, it goes off our website on Tuesday. So go to iraepstein.com. It talks about what happens in the spring and summer in the market, the changeovers, the driving, what it does to prices. Bonds and notes not doing much, and the currencies are just a mixed bag everywhere right at this point. So as we come in and take a look at the gold market, you can see how the market is trying to come up here into the 30-30 level. If it were to close just like this, be a pretty strong close. I mean, that'd be a powerful move. For the month, remember, we're just in the month, you're up about 6%. That's pretty darn strong. When you look at a weekly chart, for the week we just opened, we're up 0.29%. The pattern is certainly bullish with higher lows and higher highs. The market has stayed over since the beginning of the year. The 18-week moving average of closes obviously are well over the 200-week and the 100-week. The green is the 100, and the market just stayed into a bullish mode. It keeps riding the Bollinger Band higher. This is called that gorilla glue trade. It's when a market latches onto a Bollinger Band, forces the market to embed, and away you go. Now, I think what you have to be a little bit careful of is going this week into when the tariffs are going to be announced. Is it to buy the rumor, sell the fact that when the tariffs come out, they're not as bad as people thought or whatever, and the market could give something up. Be on the lookout for that. I am not saying I am bearish, but you've got to play that this market has been going up now 12 weeks almost on this tariff news. At some point, it will pull back on it. When it pulls back, unless you lose the bullish embedded reading with the red line under 79, the first good break in the market probably gets bought, and then traders will see, can it go for those highs? If they don't like what they see, that's when the gold can give you more of a correction. The gold-silver ratio continues to favor on a weekly basis gold. That's why I've got it colored this way. And you're approaching those old highs that you made where the market backed off from the silver. That's another part that I'm looking at right there. In the silver, you did get up to the upper Bollinger Band, and you're failing at it. The market's pulling back. You're down at this point, 2.62% on the week. That was as of Friday. They'll update this a little later tonight. In the copper market, you were, for the week, up 4.48% because copper is one of the metals that could have the tariffs on it. If it doesn't get hit hard, this is a candidate for a correction because it's not in line with the London Metal Exchange price, but it's all about tariffs right now, and we will see, in my opinion, how that's going to play out. In the platinum market, the market is pulling back, but you're not trending. You have a lower low, a higher high, and you're hanging into these moving averages, not really doing an awful lot. And the dollar index, well, this market, as you could see, has come down into the Bollinger Band, along with, at the same time, trying to stay underneath the 200. Well, this is actually right here, the 100-week average. The 200 is right through here in the light gray number at 102.24. We'll see if it can do anything, if it's going to get down there or not. Again, the dollar's going to look very hard at what the tariffs are or aren't. Are they as severe as we thought? Are they not as severe? That's going to be the play this week. And I talk about that a lot more as we go into it. And if you want, take a look at my report on gasoline. It is so darn important at this year, at this time. I talk about price counts. I give you three seasonals, the 5, the 10 and the 15 year as to what the market has done in gasoline at this point of the year. And what it tries to do is it gets ready for the summer demand. How do you put it together? Where do you come in? And I also cover in here the gas ETF. So for all of you, there's something there for everyone. IraEpstein.com. Just look on the top left. It's all there for you. I'm Ira. You have yourself a great evening, what's left of it. Watch the basketball, and I'll catch up with everybody on Monday morning. Take care.